In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Telegram app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix this error on your Telegram app, first you need to go back to your Google Play Store app and open it. From here, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you proceed. However, if you are still unable while logged in, then tap on your profile icon here and scroll down to settings. Under settings, go to network preferences, and if you tap on this, look for this option called app download preference. Here you can see we have various options. From these three options, choose the first option over any network. This will ensure you can download apps via the current network you are connected to. Then tap on OK and now proceed and see if you can now download your Telegram app. However, at this point, if you're still unable, then check in and see that you are not using any VPN. If you are using any VPN or if you added any security app on your smartphone, it might be the reason you are facing this. You need to turn it off or uninstall it temporarily and see if you will be able to download the app. In most cases, this should fix your problem. However, should this not fix or not work, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot it. To do this, go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Play Store. Now, if you tap on Play Store, you can see we are on Play Store app info page. First, go to force stop and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and confirm by tapping on OK. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to Google Play Store and activate search, I'll now search for Telegram app here. Now, let's see if I'll be able to install at this point. Now look at that. Now I'm able to download and install Telegram app on my smartphone. However, at this point, if you still face any other challenge, then check in and see that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't, then delete unused apps or files from your phone to create more space and download your apps. So that's how you can fix can't install Telegram app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.